Nice and tart. It's gonna be perfect for any type of topping. What's up guys? Welcome back to Vegas Vixen in the kitchen. So today we're gonna be making a really easy 1, 2, 3 type of recipe, and we're gonna be doing blueberry compote. And we have about 4 ingredients here, and for the correct measurements you can check out the description box below. So we're gonna start with some frozen blueberries, and I measured it out, so it's 1 cup each. We're gonna save this one for the end. We're gonna cook this one first. So we're gonna put that in there. We have some sugar, a little bit of water, some lemon. I'm just gonna squeeze that in there. And this is ready for the stove. All right, now that we have all of our ingredients inside the pot, we're just gonna turn the heat on. And we're gonna cook this for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, we're gonna add the rest of the blueberries and cook for another 5 minutes. And then we're ready to turn it off. All right guys, so it's been about 10 minutes. As you can see, it's a lot thicker, nice and bubbly. And we're ready to add the rest of our blueberries, and we're gonna cook for another 5 minutes, and then we're gonna turn it off. All right, now that another 5 minutes has passed, we are ready to turn it off and take it off with the heat. All right guys, so now that our compote is done, I'm just gonna give it a little taste. And it does thicken. Nice and tart. It's gonna be perfect for any type of topping, your cheesecakes, your French toast, your pancakes, whatever, you name it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share on your social media. See you next time. You know, like, start it.
Pick up.
Okay, what movie that's from? Not another teen movie where he tries to clap every time. Okay.